Okay, so now it's clear to me. So you have used gesso and the copper color to create a cluster tree, and I would take it in a much broader sense. You are trying to create textures from nature which would end up giving some semi-realistic effect of nature. So I like the textures, the bubble textures, the lines, and how the gesso scatter. Yes, when the gesso dries, it kind of settles on the canvas, so the shape may change. In that case, what you can do is you can leave the gesso out for a few 10-15 minutes, so that most of the water is drained out, or it dries, and you get a nice thick doughy kind of gesso, which you can work if you want to preserve the textures that you have done. So the surface you created good. I really like the colors of your final painting. It's looking beautiful. The color scheme has complementary colors, the green versus the pink and the red, and this white. It is kind of dividing the two different surfaces, yet I feel there is a connection. It was very wise of you to take this red and spread it around the top part of the green portion. The same thing you could have done is take some of this blue green, and you could have spread it around this area, or maybe on the trunk of the tree. So overall, I think it's a good painting. I can read all the fine textures that you have done. Now, because this is an abstract painting class, it's up to you to decide whether you want to go semi-abstract or you want to go complete abstract painting. We never want to end between semi-abstract and actual, like realistic painting. Here your tree is somewhere between realistic and semi-abstract. It's not completely semi-abstract painting, so you could simplify it more. What semi-abstract painting means is simplification. We don't get into a lot of details. You need to simplify areas. You need to use limited colors. You need to use limited textures. So the textures of the leaves here is good, but this particular trunk, it's getting too heavy. It's neither looking realistic, it's not so well done that I can call it realistic, neither it is simplified so that I can call it semi-abstract. That is something you need to keep in mind. Whereas the green, the bushes here, I will say they are simplified, they are abstracted, they are simplified. There's not a lot of details that I can see, which I know that these are the green, the fields. And I really like this white division. It's working. The orange is working. So think about this bigger shape here. Rest, I think you did a beautiful painting. You have a very strong color sense. So keep up with that, because in abstract painting, color is the first thing that people see. So when I saw the painting, the colors were working. It was working. It was looking beautiful. But then when I got into details and I started looking at different sections, then there were some areas which needs a little more work, or which needs simple work. Simplify it. Okay, overall good work.